Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this very cool product here that's quite popular by the brand called Vankey, and pretty much what it is a wrist pad for you guys to use when you guys are using keyboards a lot or your computer a lot or your mouse a lot. And this one comes with both the keyboard pad and also the mouse pad for your wrist. First thing let's do is let's open up and show you guys what comes out the package first. So they provide you a warranty card for the product and thank you card for buying the product right here. That's the first thing you guys will see inside. Then you guys will see like a little wrist pad or wrist right here for the keyboard. And here is the one for your wrist. So the material on both of these wrist pads is actually really nice. You guys can definitely feel that it actually feels really comfortable. So pretty much when you guys put your wrist against the actual pad itself, it actually feels really nice. You got that comfort and also got that protection or like kind of like help you from hurting your wrist a lot if you guys are planning to use the mouse a lot, especially if you guys are using the flat mouse, not like the one that I've been reviewing recently. This one in particular is longer, so if you guys are typing on keyboard, then you guys can use it. But for me, since I use a MacBook Pro, I don't really need it too much because there's not enough room to put this thing on, and if I do put it on, it'll protect this part, not this part. So it's pretty much useless for me because I don't use a keyboard anymore. It's not like really heavy because I own some of these products in the past where it's like a wrist pad for the keyboard and whatnot, and those are really heavy. This one's actually really lightweight, and I actually like this better. Pretty much on the material that's in here, it's like a memory foam, which is really nice. So if you guys have like a memory foam pillow or memory foam mattress pad, then you guys know what it feels like. It just sinks in and just kind of adjusts to your body or your wrist and whatnot. And then on the bottom of both of the products on the pad, it has a rubber material that helps it from prevent it from slipping and moving around a lot when you guys are using it, which is really nice. But with all that being said, and show you guys the product and how it actually works and how comfortable it is, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around like $9 or $10, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it? Honestly, I had to say that if you guys have a keyboard and if you guys use a mouse, then it's really worth it. But if you guys don't really have a keyboard or don't have a mouse or don't have either one, just use like a laptop like MacBook Pro, then you guys don't actually need one of these. At the end of the day, it really depends on you guys as a consumer on how often you use it and whether or not you guys are actually going to use it or not. Because if you guys are, then buy it. If you guys aren't, then don't. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback on the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad Fan Shout Day, we have